one sole survivor.
Survivors ready! Wing arms, go! Left. Alright, keep going. Stop!
No, I don't have the allies.
So far?
I think it goes to the Tyson crew, and that includes the Will Heights and Jaden and her cousin. And then for the Tuifuas and Roushes, it's kind of how the factions have split, you could say.
Let's just say that I wouldn't be the first person in my family in jail, and it doesn't bother me.
I had my idol in my shirt while we were watching the thing, and now it's gone. So I don't know where it went, but I think Filet has it, and I think I'm gonna steal it. Get it back! Get it
This is a hidden immunity idol. This is Trump playing this for Ben.
Right now, who's calling all the shots? Allie and Zach. And on our side, we're like the United States, man.
It's always Ben and Rich. They're always calling all the shots, and then Zach.
We got a couple idols ready to go. People are going to be surprised today.
And the winner of Survivor Season 2, Rich.